Morning everyone, my name is Neha. My seminar topic is about transport layer protocols, which was taken from the unit transport layers. When coming to the introduction of transport layer protocols, it is the fourth layer in the OSI system. That means Open Systems Interconnection Model. It provides a end-to-end communication, error control, flow control, and reliable data delivery between process applications and running different hosts. That means it stands as a fourth layer in the open system interconnection, and it also provides end-to-end communication between the error control, flow control, and reliable data delivery between the processors. It is useful for running different hosts also. Types of protocols. There are two types of transport layer protocols. Firstly, TCP. It stands for Transmission Control Protocol. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. And coming to the first layer of transport protocols, that is Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol is a connection-oriented and reliable protocol that ensures accurate, ordered, and error-free data delivery between the devices. It uses three-way handshake for establishing the connections and four-way handshake for terminating the connections. TCP provides error, flow, and cognition control for smooth communication. It uses sequence numbers, acknowledgements, and checksums to detect or to resend the lost data. Data is sent as a continuous byte stream with full duplex communication. It is commonly uses in HTTP, FTP, and email services. Though it is slower than UDP and TCP, it is preferred as secured and dependable transmission. Some applications of TCP are HTTP and HTTPS, which is used in web browsing. FTP, it is used in file transfer. SMTP, POP3, and IMAP, these three were useful in email services. When coming to the Telnet and SSH, useful for remote login. Coming to the database connections, it is reliable for data exchange. Some features of TCP. There are 6 features in TCP, that is reliable transmission, connection oriented, error detection, flow control, and congestion control, and full duplex communications. Firstly, reliable transmission. Reliable transmission is used for ACK and retransmission. Connection oriented. Connection oriented is useful for requiring the setup before the communication. Error detection. Error detection is used for checksums. Flow control. Flow control is used for sliding the window mechanisms. Cognition control. Cognition control is useful for managing the network traffic. Finally, full duplex communication. Full duplex communication is used for sending the data both will simultaneously. That means doing the both operations at a time. Data will send both ways simultaneously. These are the 6 features which are included in the the establishment of TCP is of 3 types, that is three-way handshake when comes to SYN client request connection, and second one is SYN plus AKC server acknowledgement and agrees. ACK server and client confirms the connection. Each slide closes its connection independently and ensures the clean and data disconnection easily. It will ensure the clean data disconnection, and each slide is connected independently. There is no dependency in connection of the sides. The connection of sides will be closest and connection is independent. So these 3 ways are used for the establishing of TCP. Coming to the second layer of transport layer protocols, it is called as user datagram protocol. The user datagram protocol is a connectionless and unreliable transport layer protocols. User datagram protocol is used for data transmission. It sends data without establishing a connection or guaranteeing the delivery, making it easier, and it is most faster but less reliable than the TCP. UDP does not allow to provide the flow control and error recovery or sequencing for packets. It uses simple 8-byte header containing source and destination paths, length, and checksum spaces. Since there is no retransmission in lost packets, they are not recovered. It is ideal for real-time applications like video streaming, online gaming, and Vivo IP. Simply, it is called as Vivo IP, and it is abbreviationally it is called as voice over IP. It is recovered in real-time applications such as voice streaming, online gaming, and Vivo IP. UDP is preferred as speed and low delay are most important than the reliability. Some applications which were related to the UDP, that means User Datagram Protocol or DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, VoIP, as we had discussed it previously, Voice over IP, online gaming, video streaming, and SNMPP, that is Simple Network Management Protocol. These are the features of UDP. No connection setup is required because it is simple and fastly delivered. No flow or cognition control is required. Error detection. It detects only checksums. Low overheaded. That means small size. It consists of only 8 bytes, small header size, used in live or some time sensitive communications. It is only used in live and time sensitive communications. It is a connectionless protocol. It has fast delivery, but it is unreliable. It does not guaranteed or ordered for the reliability. Suitable for real time applications. These are the features of UDP where it is suitable only for the real time applications and it is not guaranteed or reliable, and it consists of fast delivery but it is unreliable. No connection. It doesn't consist of any connection setups cause it is simple and fastly delivered. It doesn't consist of any congestion control cause there is no flow or congestion control. It detects the errors but only it has accessibility to detect the checksums. Low overheaded, consists of small size cause it has only 8 bytes in it. It is used in live or time sensitive communications. It consists of only live and time sensitive communications. It is a connectionless protocol and it is also fast for delivery and unreliable. It doesn't guarantee the order of reliability. These are the features of UDP, which includes in no connection setup. It consists of cognition control, error detection, low overhead, and it then consists of only time sensitive communications. It all and connection protocols, and it is fast delivery. Doesn't guaranteed or reliable. Suitable for real time applications are the features of the UDP. These are some of the key differences between TCP and UDP. Whereas TCP is a connection oriented and UDP is a connectionless protocol. When comes to TCP, it is reliable, ensures and delivering the data acknowledgements, and it is useful for retransmissions also. When coming to UDP, it is unreliable and it is not guaranteed for the delivery. When coming to TCP, it requires three-way handshake before the data transfer. Coming to UDP, it doesn't require any handshakes or any data transfers between them because it has no connection setup required. Next, TCP. In TCP, data is sent continuously as a stream of bytes, but in UDP, data is sent as individual packets such as datagrams. It provides, whereas coming to TCP, it provides error checking, correction, and retransmission. In UDP, it provides only error detection and checksums. No correction is included in it. In this, some window mechanisms are included, whereas it consists of flow control. It doesn't consist of flow control, so it doesn't included any window mechanisms. In this, it consists also some maintaining ordered data packets, and in UDP it doesn't contains any data packets because it doesn't maintains any order. Data packets may arrive out of the order. It consists some examples or applications based on their features or qualities. Each segment is acknowledged in TCP. No acknowledgement mechanism is included in the TCP. Some reliable applications which included in TCP are HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and SMTP or Telnet. Some real-time examples of UDP are DNS video streaming, online gaming, and VoIP. Coming to the conclusion part, it provides the end-to-end communication between the process on different devices. That means it provides an end-to-end communication between different devices and processes, which tells us to ensure and accurate the reliable delivery of the data when it required. It tells us the accurate and reliable data when the data is required. TCP. TCP consists of reliable, connection oriented with error control and flow control, ideal and applications needed the accuracy. consists of some applications. TCP is web-related email and file transformations is used in TCP. UDP. It consists of fast, connectionless, without reliability features, ideal for application needing speed, etc. Examples for UDP is video streaming, online gaming, VoIP. It acts as a bridge between the application layer and network layer. It supports different services based on the application. Some key points included in the conclusion are transport protocol is closely reliable for speed and depending the applications which are required. Finally, the conclusion only describes that it provides an end-to-end communication between the different types of devices, and it also ensures the accurate and reliable delivery between the data where it is required. TCP consists of some features which is reliability, connection oriented with error control and flow control. It consists of both the features such as error control and the flow control. It consists of ideal it is ideal for the applications which needed in the accuracy. TCP consists of accuracy, whereas UDP doesn't consist of accuracy. UDP consists of speed. TCP consists of some examples such as web, email, file, and transfer. UDP features are UDP consists of fast. UDP is faster when compared to TCP, but UDP is connectionless, whereas TCP is connection oriented. TCP is connection oriented with consisting of error control and flow control. While coming to UDP, it doesn't consist of error control and flow control. It only consists of reliability without the features without the reliability. It also consists of some applications which are ideal for speed. Only these applications are included in UDP for speed purposes. The applications are fast, connectionless, without reliability features. These are only ideal for the speed, which is which is helps in improving the speed in the UDP. Examples for the UDP are video streaming, VoIP, and online gaming are the examples of the UDP. These two are the differences and these two are the main points in the UDP, such as UDP is not reliable, TCP is reliable. UDP is a connectionless process and UDP is a connection oriented process. UDP doesn't consist of any error flow or control flow. But in TCP, it consists of error flow and control flow. UDP is not an ideal one. TCP is ideal for the applications by using it consists of some accuracy. Whereas when comes to UDP, it doesn't consist of accuracy. It only consists of speed. And coming to the same point between these two are the TCP and UDP acts as a bridge between the application layer and the network layer. These two will act as a bridge between the application layer and the network layer. It supports different services based on the applications which are needed. Based on the applications needed, that means it needs some applications. Based on that needs, that the communication bridge acts as a application layer, and sometimes it acts as a network layer based on the supporting based on the supporting and based on the different features included in it. The key point is transport protocol choose reliability versus speed depending on the application requirements.